What up, yo? This is anti-faggot. Hold on. So what up, yo? This is anti-faggot. Before I get started with this video, I'm gonna tell you what you do. I'm not responsible for. This shit's not a toy. Don't play with it. It hurts like a bitch. And so what it is, it's a homemade camera taser made out of the disposable Kodak camera. And how it works is there's a AA battery in there. When you take this shit apart, you find the 4 tabs. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there. So take it all apart. Start with the side one. And then it breaks and it's like that. So if it breaks and only this part opens and this one, there's a little tab there that keeps these 2 top parts together. See that number thing? Just pull that. Like that. And get the other side. The first time you ever do it, it's gonna be really fucking hard. And then get the top and bottom. And take off the back. And then the battery's gonna be right here. But there's a reason I don't have it in there. And then to take off the front, grab right here. You pull this part down. And you push this part up. And like that. So you go, not just like that. It's the easiest way to do it. Then you got the chipboard. I've got a couple. These things are made of pure solder. Like somehow I got solder to pile up. So I piled it up. And then like for this, I didn't really need to take off the board. But if you need to, like if you're gonna attach paper clips to it, you just like, this is how you get it off. You push that one gently up, and then the other one. That's where the battery goes. And then you pull it out again, diagonal, like that, gently and slowly. And then this right here is what your spark is coming from. See these 2 right here? These 2 leads? It's these 2 contacts right here that I have solder on. Get it back on. Again, diagonal. And then there's a little thing right there. Lead it into there. And then, till I let them stick out, I have a hole drilled there. And then to get it going, 2 tabs right there. Put the positive side on those. And then you just pop that in. Push the flash button. You'll hear that charge going. Make sure not to touch that shit. And then it's ready to go. I might jump. not jump too easy. And that's how you do it, yo. Disposable camera taser. It's pretty easy to do. I didn't think I'd be able to do it because I suck at making things. But I was able to do it, so if I can do it, you can do it. Yeah. Comment, subscribe, rate, like, whatever. Peace, y'all.